guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I'm here with my mom and we're gonna go to the beach. Yeah.
Did you tell Kaylee we were leaving? Hard. Look.
Where?
You're supposed to be checking on crap.
I don't see anything.
Take that doghouse. They're fixing to build a barn. Cover it up with my finger.
What? That's it?
Can you get my chapstick, please?
Your purse is way over there.
Oh my goodness, I know. Can you get my chapstick, please? Try not to wreck while you're unbuckled. Buckle.
Hold on.
I might wreck between now and then. Buckle. Hey, put it back. Why don't you put my purse right there, because I'm fixing to need my wallet out of it. Or take my wallet out.
Can I go in? Get some seeds?
Quit calling me!
We made it out of the gas station alive. Don't know how we did that.
Did you call Kaylee? Tell her we were leaving?
Alright, so I'm gonna interview my mom. What's your name? What's your name? No. What's your name?
Jamie.
What is your favorite food?
Roti.
Is that some Trinidadian?
Yes.
Oh gosh.
I never get it. Because Kiva won't come visit me.
What does your dad do for a living?
My dad,
Haha.
he's retired.
No, what he used to do.
He's a preacher.
Yep, she's a preacher's daughter. You know what they say about that?
You would know.
I'm not a preacher's daughter.
I know, that's how you don't know it.
All of my friends have been preacher's
Why are
daughters.
you yelling at me?
What's your attitude, young lady? Turning.
Oh, right here. Hey, gum.
Yeah.
Snuck
I
off
said
on me. I was
turning
thinking
like
it was up there.
5 seconds before you started turning.
Look at all the crap that just fell underneath my feet because you set it underneath my on the thing. Then there's like nothing.
Holy cow.
Hey, you two!
You gotta get the rhythm so you don't die.
Is that just the skin off one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I was like, what are you talking about?
Georgia, come here. Come here. Get the shoes out of the water.
I was like, what is that? Steer track. Called it. Let's run dogs here. Here, get in the float. Get in there. Yeah. I can't see you. The sun's the wrong way.